Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back with another festival look. So to start off this look, I'm going to be taking the NYX Above and Beyond concealer. This is in the shade Light and just a domed like eyeshadow brush, but yeah, I'm using it as a concealer brush. And just covering my eyes to hide any redness or veins. Okay, so then I'm going to be taking the NYX, what is this called? No Filter powder in 03 Ivory. After that, I'll be taking the Colourpop single eyeshadow in the shade Play by Play and just putting this all in the crease with a big fluffy brush. After that, I'll be taking the shade Making Moves and then further putting that in the crease just to darken it up a bit, make it a bit more pinky, reddy kind of colour. So, yeah. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Red Ochre from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette and just putting this in the crease and outer corner and kind of making it a bit more defined, but then I'll be blending it out a bit, but not too much. Yeah. After that, I'll be taking the shade Cypress Umber, I'm not sure how you say it. It'll be in the description anyway. But this is like a dark brown kind of color, and putting this in the inner corner and outer corner of my eye. And then also blending it with a tapered blending brush just to make sure everything is really smooth and blended. Okay, so now I'm taking that same concealer, the NYX Above and Beyond concealer, and just a small like shader brush type brush, and then I'm going to be kind of carving out the middle of my eye. I'm not going to be creating any cut crease or anything like that. It was just so I can create a base for the eyeshadow. Okay, so I didn't get it on camera for some reason. I think my camera just stopped recording, but I used the shade Play by Play in the middle of my lid, basically where we put the concealer. Now I'm going to be taking the Inglot eyeliner in the shade 76. So it's just a white eyeliner. It's the white gel eyeliners. These eyeliners are the best that I've used so far. They're so nice, so creamy, so easy to apply. Yeah, so I started off with a small wing, but I gradually got a bit bigger. Yeah, so it's quite dramatic, but it looks really cool. So I also applied some lashes off camera, which are the XO Beauty lashes in the Soulmate, and also applied some mascara to combine the lashes with my normal lashes, which I use the CoverGirl Clump Crusher. So now I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer in the shade 1115. This is just a lighter shade, and just going under my eyes. So I'm going to be doing my under eye eyeshadows and then doing my face makeup. So I'm just taking the shade Making Moves under my eyes with a tapered blending brush. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Red Ochre and just putting this on a short shader brush just along my lash line, and then also just where that eyeliner wing is. The foundation that I've been loving lately is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in the shade 202. And just using a Real Techniques sponge, I'm dabbing this all over my face and a little bit down my neck just to make sure everything is all nicely blended. I wanted to test out this new product that I bought. It's the Australis Unicorn Drops. This is in the dark bronzy shade, and I use this kind of as a liquid bronzer. So it's super shimmery for me because I'm really fair. It worked really well as a bronzer. If you're a bit more tanner than me, then you could definitely use this as like a highlight. But it did give off a nice bronzy kind of glow, which was really cool and added to the look, I reckon, because we did like a festival glowy, glittery kind of look. So yeah, this product was really cool. So now I'm going to be taking the NYX No Filter powder in 03 with a big fluffy brush just to set all my face makeup. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the shade Toffee from the NYX Contouring and Highlighting palette, and I'm going to be carving out my cheekbones with also a Sigma small contouring brush. So yeah, I put this underneath my cheekbones, I guess, and then a little bit on my temple. I also do it on my forehead and things, and also my nose, so forehead and nose as well. Okay, so this is my first time trying this baking. So I used the Maybelline Baking Plus Brightening Powder, and it was my first time. It was pretty good, but I still need to practice a bit more. So yeah, I put that underneath that contour a little bit on my forehead and down my nose. You can't really see it on my nose or my forehead, but yeah, it's there. Then for my eyebrows, I don't really do anything different. It's just the NYX Tame and Frame in Blonde, and just filling them in as normally. So I'm going to be taking the CoverGirl True Blend Blush in the shade Light Rose. I only put a little bit of this on because blush doesn't seem to suit me that well. Because I am quite pale, so I don't know, it just doesn't really work for me that well. So I put a little bit of that on. After blush, I'm going to be taking the Sports Girl On The Glow highlighting palette and taking the shade Moonstone. This is a really pretty gold, sparkly, shimmery highlighter. And putting that on my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my forehead. So now time for glitter. So what I take is a little Q-tip, and I use, sorry it's hard to film when I keep coming up to the mirror for some reason. Anyway, so I use the Too Faced glitter glue and put that down with a Q-tip, and then I also use the Q-tip to pick up the glitter. I use the In Your Dreams glitter in the Tropical Sunset glitter pack, and this is just the pinky duochrome one. So yeah, the pinky orangey one, and I put this under my eyes, almost like tears. Yeah. I also decided to put some of the glitter on my brow bone, almost like a brow bone highlight type thing. Yeah, so then after that I'm taking the Australis Girl Boss Demi Matte Lip Cream in Hustle. This is a new one that I bought, and it's really pretty. It's like a nudie brown kind of colour. So that is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment anything you like. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.